Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating a farmhouse laundry sign. As you can see, I've placed mine on top of our laundry. I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, I'm going to go briefly over the items we'll be needing for the project. Your choice of paint colors, in this case I chose a light gray and white. I did have that acrylic black paint because I thought I might use it, but I didn't end up using it. And your choice of letters and fonts. I've already printed mine out. Scissors, pencil, some chalk, and your choice of brushes. Not so that you can see the two pieces of wood. They've already been assembled. My husband did the favor this past weekend to go ahead and assemble these for me, and he ended up doing pocket holes. So that way we didn't have to add any additional wood pieces to the back to support the two pieces of wood. And this was created with one of those fen pieces. It cost under $2 and it measures, each piece measures 35 inches. Alright guys, it's time for paint. As you can see, I've already pre-cut all of my letters and laid them out. All you'll have to do now is do the same with yours, and on the back of each and every single piece you'll be outlining it with chalk and then tracing it like I am now so that the chalk lines of each of the letters transfers over. And I'll show you the end result towards the end of the video. Alright, now that we've done tracing, it's time for us to paint our letters. And here you see me tracing it out, tracing the letters out with my white paint. And both of the paints that I chose are chalk paints. So the base in the light gray was a chalk paint, as well as this white one. And I'll speed up the process so that you guys can get a glimpse of everything. Okay, now that I was finished outlining all the letters, I wanted to do something additional in the center of each of the wash, dry, and fold and repeat. I didn't like the commas and the and, so I ended up doing small circles, and I was tempted to do something else for the Establish 2009, but I left it alone. Once I saw that it was complete, I thought that something was missing, so I ended up adding an outline, and all I did was outline it with the ruler and some chalk and just trace that with the same white chalk paint. Okay, now that the sign is dry, we're going to go ahead and apply our brackets. I'm using, in this case, 2 of them, one on each end. And the pack is a Dries, and I got it at Joann's, and it is actually a pack of 6, so we'll have some left over for another project. Okay, here's our completed project all hung up. Now my laundry room is on our hallway, so that's where we placed it on top of the double doors that open up to our laundry. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see future videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.